Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative. I hope everyone is doing well, and thank you for checking my channel out and joining in, and saying hello to my old followers and saying hello to my new followers. Just have a little haul, combination haul from Michael's, Dollar Tree. Actually went to Hobby Lobby first time, gosh, since in 3 months. But it was mainly focused to get something for a project I'm working on. So I just showed you they had 25 cents paper, and was working on some stuff with the black and white stripes. I guess some polka dots, you know, GP, those stripes, some dots, and then I got some that one. These are just pieces that I want to use, like to make a masterboard for backgrounds in what do you call it, mixed media stuff. Got that one. First I had to get some music sheets for $1. They always make good backgrounds. You know, hopefully I'm going to try to do Sunny Moon Arch Rose's monthly mixed media challenge from that. More the same. They're all in different directions. Okay. Then, let's see. You know, I had to get some red. That's just, you know. GP, had to get some red. Okay, so that's the paper. Then, had to go to Michael's. I had to get some, these wood letters, because I'm making, you see that spells 1. So I'm doing a baby project for, God, I'm about to take any red. For one of my customers that I'm working with, Dollar Tree. Some of those gems, and then these have the glue on the back, which I probably just used my own glue, glue, but I may use that super glue, I don't know, we'll see. Those stickers. I did pick up, it's very thin, but it's that craft board. They had different styles before, but I picked this up for borders to add onto like ATCs or iCads, or, you know, any kind of mixed media. Same thing with these little wood ones, just in case. Maybe want to use them in something just for some dimension. Some rub-ons. Again, just to add it for some background. These are rub-on transfers. And some mixed media projects. So that's what that was. Then in my office, my room is a mess. Craft rooms, I have office stash, everything. But I had to go to Michael's, and they had all Martha Stewart stuff 60% off. I don't know when this video will be out, but it was 60% off. So these were $1, I think 30 instead of $4. So it's the silver, the iridescent. You see that? Yellow, they look curved. I hated that part, but they were still a good price. Pink, I got 2 silvers, and that that soft blue, I almost called it. Can't think of its name. Had to get some more black paper. Got some paper for a friend, some more gold, and some gray, and it was buy one get one free. And I got her 2 packs of the metallics, and then this was I got some creative memories, and this is the Peekaboo Pockets to add onto a scrapbook page. 4x6 and 6x4, so it's 5 each, so it's 10 pockets. And then I did get 2 different templates from them. These are the recipe templates that you can use, and you can use them multiple different ways to make different layouts. So here's 2 examples up here, and this is called Snapshot. Yeah, I do cheat when I do scrapbooking. I use any inspiration I can. I love scrapbooking, but I find it more, I don't know, challenging or time consuming to do, even though I love to do it. But these help. So if I get stuck in or wet, I still use these. So I like having these. This was called Simple Symmetry. And again, you can turn them different ways to make different, you know, designs. Do only sections of it, like just the diamonds and that go in direction. Again, you can turn it and just do all kinds of different things. So I like that too. So, and they're reusable, and they're made out of Mylar. And then the last thing I had got was 2 plates, which I was disappointed. I ordered from, I think it was scrapbook.com. I thought it was getting from Sizzix, but scrapbook.com had them cheaper. And all I did was look at the link, and I was like, oh yeah, that's the ones that I need for the Big Shot Plus. Didn't look at the width, and I ordered 2 packs of this, but I need them, so I kept it because I can still use them. But I need to go back and get the wider plates with the same length. I think that's it for this haul. I do have a couple more hauls because I got tons of bags over here. But anyway, I just want to show you that. So, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.